Hello viewers, are you experiencing messenger call unstable connection? Try moving around to improve call quality error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. Viewers, basically this error appearing due to network issue. So first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is well connected, and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. Now go to Play Store or App Store. Click on Search App and search for Messenger. Update your Messenger apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your device. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully.